Aerospace and defense companies are facing tough challenges as they enter the second century of powered flight. New competition, increased complexity, and greater customer demands mandate companies transform how they work. But how can companies accelerate innovation and drive operational excellence? Leading companies are innovating from concept to takeoff by eliminating the barriers to collaborate across functions, organizations, geographical boundaries, and even languages, so they can share ideas, understand data, make decisions, and coordinate actions in real time, and increase their agility to deliver what their customers need, when they need it. This requires companies to evolve from operating in functional silos to adopting product lifecycle management to integrate engineering efforts and data, to moving toward an integrated platform that brings together every aspect of a program's lifecycle, including program management, engineering, testing, manufacturing, and operations. The Dassault Systèmes 3D Experience platform is the only digital platform that covers the entire process. It provides a single source of truth to collaborate anywhere, anytime, from any device. Leading companies have been able to accelerate new programs while driving out cost and quality issues. Learn how to accelerate past your competition into the next century of aerospace.